If you're nearing retirement or already retired, using IRA rollovers to diversify your retirement portfolio can be one of the smartest moves you can make. A rollover allows you to move your retirement savings from one account to another without triggering penalties or taxes. This process can be essential to maximizing your savings and minimizing risk, especially in uncertain economic times. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use IRA rollovers to ensure your portfolio is as diversified as it can be. Now, before we dive into all the details, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs, click the first link in the description for a free guide. This could be your first step to protecting your hard-earned retirement savings. One of the most important things to consider when you do an IRA rollover is ensuring you're not just moving money around, but you're strategically positioning your assets. A traditional IRA rollover typically means moving your funds from one type of retirement account, like a 401k, into an IRA. While this gives you more control, it's crucial to diversify your investments to reduce risk. Many retirees leave their portfolios too concentrated in one asset class, like stocks, or they hold on to investments that are too risky. And that's where diversifying into gold or other precious metals comes into play. Gold IRAs have been gaining popularity in recent years, especially among retirees who are looking for ways to protect their wealth from inflation, stock market volatility, and other economic downturns. If you're serious about making your retirement savings more secure, a gold IRA might be the perfect option for you. By rolling over part of your IRA into a gold IRA, you can hedge against inflation and preserve your purchasing power in ways that traditional investments can't match. But how exactly do IRA rollovers work? The first thing you need to know is that you can roll over your 401k or other retirement accounts into a self-directed IRA. This gives you the freedom to invest in alternative assets like gold, silver, or other precious metals, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. It's a way to customize your portfolio beyond just stocks and bonds. Now, don't get me wrong, stocks and bonds are important, but they carry risks that many retirees simply can't afford. A 20% drop in the market could mean a significant loss when you're living off those funds. That's why adding physical assets like gold, which have historically held their value during times of crisis, is becoming an increasingly popular strategy. The process itself is simple. You'll need to find a custodian who offers gold IRA services. This custodian will handle the transfer of your funds into the self-directed IRA. From there, you can allocate part of your balance into gold or other precious metals. The best part? There are no taxes or penalties if you follow the rollover rules correctly. It's a straightforward process that can provide a substantial boost to your retirement security. Now, if you're still thinking about traditional retirement accounts, consider this. While stocks can certainly provide growth, they are also subject to market volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, might seem safer, but they often offer low returns, especially in today's low interest rate environment. This means that while they may protect your principal, they're not going to help your wealth grow. A gold IRA offers something in between, security and growth, without the volatility. So, what should you do next? If you're planning to diversify your retirement savings and want to ensure that you're not leaving your future to chance, don't wait any longer. Take advantage of the IRA rollover process and consider opening a gold IRA as part of that strategy. With a gold IRA, you protect yourself from inflation, safeguard your wealth, and build a more stable future for your retirement. If you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings, this strategy is perfect for you. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to protect and grow their retirement savings in today's unpredictable economic climate. Once again, if you want to learn more and see why so many retirees are making the switch to gold IRAs, click the first link in the description for a free guide. Start building a more secure retirement today.